In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the HR of any company on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Navigating LinkedIn to connect with the right HR professional can seem a little daunting, but with the steps I'm about to share, you'll be able to do it with ease and confidence. So let's get started. First things first, head over to LinkedIn's website by typing linkedin.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that now. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the LinkedIn homepage. Now direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the company whose HR contact you are trying to find. For instance, if you're interested in connecting with HR at Google, type Google into the search bar and press enter. After hitting enter, you'll be taken to a list of search results. Look for the company's official LinkedIn page, and once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the company's profile page, where you can find more specific information. Now, on the company profile page, notice there are different tabs located at the top, such as Home, Jobs, and People. Click on the People tab. This is where you'll find a list of employees who have linked their profiles to this particular company. With the People page open, it's time to focus your search. Use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down your results. You might want to filter by location, current company employees, or past employees to find exactly what you're looking for. The next part is all about identifying the correct titles. For HR specific contacts, look for titles such as HR manager, talent acquisition, recruiter, or simply human resources. These are the people who will most likely be involved in hiring processes and can provide valuable insights or connections. Once you identify potential contacts, take some time to review their profiles. Consider whether you want to send a connection request, or if it's more suitable, reach out directly with a personalized message explaining who you are and why you'd like to connect. Personalizing your message can significantly increase the chances of a successful connection. Additionally, you might want to refine your search even further. You can try searching for specific job titles related to your interests, especially if you have a particular position in mind. Just type in hiring, followed by the job title you're interested in, into the search bar when you're on the People tab of the company's LinkedIn page. If you're seeking more direct contact information, but can't find an email address immediately, don't hesitate to ask for it politely in your LinkedIn message. It's a common and accepted practice to request professional contact details when reaching out for job search or networking purposes. That's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to establishing valuable professional connections with HR professionals on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.